Hello, friends. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on a fascinating journey through the world of words. Together, we'll explore new terms, uncover their meanings, and see how they apply to our everyday lives. I'm especially excited to share today's word with you, so let's dive right in and discover its significance. We're going to talk about the word forgiveness. Forgiveness is when you decide to let go of any feelings of anger towards someone who has wronged you. It's like saying, "It's okay, I'm not upset with you anymore," even if they made a mistake that hurt you. It doesn't mean you forget what happened, but you choose not to hold it against them, allowing both of you to move forward. Imagine a scene in a playground where two children, Alex and Jamie, are playing. Alex accidentally breaks Jamie's favorite toy. Jamie is very upset at first, but after Alex says sorry and promises to be more careful, Jamie decides not to stay angry. Jamie forgives Alex, and they continue to play together. Let's explore some examples to gain a deeper understanding of this word meaning. In a classroom, Sarah accidentally spills water on Tim's drawing. Tim is upset because he worked hard on it. Sarah apologizes sincerely. Tim decides to forgive Sarah, understanding it was an accident. They then work together to create a new drawing. This shows forgiveness by not letting an accident ruin their friendship. During a football game, Ella kicks the ball too hard, and it hits Max, causing him a little pain. Ella feels sorry and checks if Max is okay. Max, understanding it was part of the game and not intentional, forgives Ella, and they continue playing. This is forgiveness, as Max chose not to be upset with Ella for the accident. In a home, two siblings, Lily and Milan, argue over watching different TV shows. The argument leads to hurtful words. Later, they both apologize to each other, and Lily lets Milan watch his show first. They forgive each other, resolving their disagreement peacefully. This shows forgiveness by overcoming a disagreement with love and understanding. Let's learn together how to use this word in different sentences. This will help us really understand what the word means. It's like solving a fun puzzle with words. After realizing her mistake, she asked for forgiveness, and they became friends again. He showed forgiveness by not getting angry when his brother lost his favorite book. The teacher forgave the student for being late, understanding there was a valid reason. Now, it's game time. This game is to help us remember the word we learned today. We will use the word in a game to see how much we remember. Are you ready? Let's start our game and have fun with the word we learned today. Today's special word is forgiveness. Let's see how well you understand its meanings and applications. For each question, you will see 4 scenarios: A, B, C, D. 3 of these are correct applications of the word forgiveness, and 1 is not. Your task is to find the one that doesn't fit. Which of the following is not an example of forgiveness? A, apologizing to a friend for a harsh word. B, holding a grudge against someone for a small mistake. C, deciding not to stay mad at a sibling for breaking your toy. D, forgiving a classmate for accidentally taking your pencil. Well done! This is the correct answer. Holding a grudge against someone for a small mistake. This is the opposite of forgiveness because it involves keeping negative feelings towards someone instead of letting them go. Thanks for joining me to learn about today's word. If you had fun, please subscribe, hit like, and share our videos. There are many more cool words to learn about, so don't go away.